Hi, this is Val Campbell, and I wanted to share with you that I just published Operation Vegas, which is the continuation of the romance and adventures of Gary Booker and Paige Steward that we began in Operation Austin. Now, in Operation Austin, Gary and his chain of mercenaries rescued Paige, who had been lured to Las Vegas and brutalized before they were able to pull her out of there and extract her. In Operation Vegas, they continue their battle against that same group, and you get to enjoy the continued romance and the development of the love relationship between these two, as well as this adventure of battling this group of really nefarious characters. So this is all based, of course, on true adventures and true people that I know, the mercenaries that actually fly around the world extracting victims and rescuing these kids. And I'm happy to be able to bring these stories to you through the Gary Booker series of novels. So I hope that you enjoy these characters as much as I've fallen in love with them. And I hope you like reading the books as much as I enjoy writing them. This is Val Campbell.